about 6 pounds of peaches, and now I'm adding 2 sticks of butter. I did drain our can of peaches, and this is all on our blackstone. Now I'm gonna come in with some dark brown sugar, and we're gonna add a generous amount of brown sugar on there. Don't worry, we'll give it a nice toss. That was about 1 cup of brown sugar. Come in with our spatulas, and we want that butter to melt. We want that sugar to caramelize. This is such a great and easy sweet treat that everyone will love. I like getting those canned peaches because they're halved and they're just ready to cook. And of course, you can't have peaches without a little bit of cinnamon. So we are going to sprinkle some cinnamon on all of these peaches. This is such a great dessert for a party. It's great for a transitional dessert from summer to fall because it's still hot out here. You want to use your grill before it gets too cold, and this is the way to do it. We're gonna give this one more toss before we close this up and start to let it cook. You can see all that delicious brown sugar butter that we're getting on with those peaches that are just gonna grill so beautifully, and it's gonna taste like a peach cobbler. Oh my, all right. I think that's a good mix for now. Let's go ahead and close this baby up for a second. All right, let's check these out. Oh my, it smells absolutely phenomenal. We're just gonna give this a few more toss in there. We do kind of want some more grilling on our peaches. So we're gonna turn up this heat so we can get this nice and with a good sear on our peaches. Oh yeah. All right, look at these babies. They look absolutely phenomenal. They're fully cooked, fully flavorful. It is time to serve these up. I got a bowl here we're gonna put to the side, and you're gonna grab how many peaches you want. I recommend 2 to 3 per person. Right in there. I'm gonna grab one more because I love me some peaches. All right, and this is not complete without some vanilla ice cream. Whew. Oh yeah. Do 2 scoops because this is my lunch today. Oh my. All right, it's time to give this a try. Our grilled peaches with ice cream. Oh my goodness, this is so good. And you can use fresh peaches if you want, but they're kind of hard to find in Vegas. I love the canned ones.
Is it good?
That is better than a peach cobbler. You guys are gonna love it.